Okay, many people are saying that this mat is not waterproof, and it's because they are putting it the wrong way. Look, this side is the one that goes down. This is the top part. If you put water, it shouldn't absorb. It shouldn't absorb. It's gonna move around the mat, but it's not going to absorb in the mat. No water. So please, just see and look at the pictures that everyone posts, the videos before leaving a negative review on a seller. I just feel bad for them because common sense, not everybody has common sense.